Viewers, amidst the Mollywood storm, the Kerala unit of the Congress party yesterday expelled its senior leader, Simi Rosebell John, just hours after she accused the Grand Old Party of having a casting couch that is similar to the one in the film industry. In an official statement, the Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee said that it has expelled Simi Rosebell from the primary membership of the party. Congress has called her allegations baseless and has accused her of insulting the female leaders before the entire media. Meanwhile, the BJP has targeted Congress over these allegations made by another leader who now is expelled from the Congress party.
ഒരാളെ പുറത്താക്കി അതിന്റെ കാരണം എന്താണെന്ന് വിശദീകരിക്കണം. CPM ആയിട്ട് ഗൂഢാലോചന നടത്തി അതിനെന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു തെളിവുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ദയവായി പുറത്തുവിടണം. ഈ പാർട്ടിയിൽ അന്തസ്സും അഭിമാനവും ആഭിജാത്യവുമുള്ള വനിതകൾക്ക് പ്രവർത്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഈ നൽകുന്ന സന്ദേശം ഇവരൊക്കെ എത്ര നല്ല പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളിലൂടെ ഈ കേരള മണ്ണിന്റെ ശിരസ്സുയർത്തിയ വനിതകളാണ്. ഇവരൊക്കെ ഹൃദയവേദനയോടെയാണ് ഈ പാർട്ടി വിട്ടത്. പത്മജ വേണുഗോപാൽ എന്ത് തെറ്റാണ് ചെയ്തത്? അവരുടെ പിതാവിന്റെ കേരളത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ തവണ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയായിരുന്ന ശ്രീ കെ കരുണാകരന്റെ പ്രിയപുത്രി, അവരുടെ അച്ഛന്റെ രാജ്യസഭാ സീറ്റ് ന്യായമായിട്ടും കെ ആന്റണിക്ക് കൊടുത്തുപോയി. അദ്ദേഹവും കേരളത്തിന്റെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയായിരുന്നു. കെ കരുണാകരനും ശ്രീ കെ ആന്റണിയും കേരളത്തിന്റെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിമാരായിരുന്നു, കേന്ദ്രമന്ത്രിമാരായിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും മക്കൾക്ക് കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. ഇപ്പൊ ഹൈബീഡന്റെ പിതാവ് MP ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണല്ലോ ഹൈബീഡിനെ MP ആക്കിയത്. ഹൈബീഡന്റെ യോഗ്യത കൊണ്ടൊന്നും അല്ലല്ലോ 2 വർഷം കൊണ്ട് ദേശീയ നേതാവായത്. ആണോ? ഇപ്പൊ മക്കൾക്ക് ഇതൊക്കെ കൊടുക്കാം, ചിലരുടെ മക്കൾക്ക് കൊടുക്കാം. പക്ഷേ അത് പത്മജയ്ക്ക് എന്താണ് കൊടുക്കാതിരുന്നത്? 22 വർഷം പത്മജ ഈ പാർട്ടി പ്രവർത്തിച്ചതാ. KPCC എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് മെമ്പർ ആയിരുന്നു 22 വർഷം മുമ്പ്. അവർക്ക് എന്താ കൊടുക്കാതിരുന്നത്? എന്താണ് അവരുടെ അയോഗ്യത? അവര് വനിതയല്ലേ?
No, she never said like that. One channel manipulated everything to help the CPM. Because he is that editor of that channel is a pro-CPM person. He is in collaboration with the CPM leaders. Now the CPM is in defense because of the film cases. So they wanted to include the Congress party also in this. Nothing in that. She was holding enough posts in the party. She contested in the corporation, she contested in the district council, she contested in the assembly. She was the All India General Secretary, Mahila Congress, she was the IYC All India General Secretary. She was holding the post of PSC member, not held by any women leaders in Kerala. And she has been withdrawing 1.5 lakh salary and getting nearly 1 lakh pension. Now she is saying that she is sidelined. It's not. It is an insult to the entire women leaders, those who are working in the Congress party. Nothing more.
It's a very sorry state of affairs, and it is a shameful thing that security of women is at peril in Kerala, not only in the film field, but in Congress party also. So the Congress should react. Congress should say why she has been expelled because of exposing such misdeeds by the Congress leaders of denigrating women, of harassing women.
The Congress party has itself shown its anti-woman character. They say ladki hu lad sakti hu. But Simi Rosebell John, a senior leader of the Congress party in Kerala, was sacked immediately when she said that similar things to casting couch happens within the Congress party and that women are given the post based on the exploitation of those women done by the senior leaders of Congress party. This is not the first time the Congress party has done something like this to its women leaders. We know about Archana Gautam. We know about how other women leaders had to leave the party because of abuse. Priyanka Chaturvedi.
Now, Jayalakshmi is joining us live. Jayalakshmi, these allegations allegations coming in from a Congress leader who now is expelled seems to have triggered a huge storm in the state of Kerala. Now take us through the specific allegations and the names taken. Now there are 2 names taken. We also had that clarification coming in from VD Satheesan. She's also named another Kerala leader, another top Congress leader in Kerala, Hebe Aden. Take us through the specific allegations made by Simi Rosebel John.
Simi had alleged that, the topmost people in the party, that is the leader of opposition, VD Satheesan at this moment. And, she has said that only if the women in the Congress party are able to please the leader of opposition, they are given the position of the senior position, and they are allowed or given all the privileges. She calls them the favorites. She has said that those who are favorites of leader of opposition, they are allowed to grow in the party, and the rest are just sidelined, which is very which the VD Satheesan claims that is the very contradictory, and that they have as a party supported her in every way possible. Again, now she says Hebe Eden's name. She says that Hebe Eden is only an MP because his father was in the senior position. He was an MP in the Congress party. So she again says that he did not have any qualification, and he is a very young person in such young stage. Even though he does not have appropriate work experience, he has risen to the top only because he has a father.
When a leader in the Congress party who has worked in the Kerala unit of the Congress party for a long time makes such serious allegations, she has said that, exploitation in the Congress party in Kerala is akin to casting couch in the film industry. She has used terms like sponsorship and patronage is needed for women to grow in ranks. She has spoken about favoritism. She has spoken about how there are women who are exploited, and how she's aware of women karyakarta in the Congress party who've come and told her that they have faced exploitation just to gain opportunities. Before expelling her, did the Congress in Kerala do any investigation? Did they even bother investigating the charges made by her?
No, definitely. That is the reason why she is saying that, she herself does not know why she was expelled. She claims that, she was not informed. It was all of a sudden, right after she had come up with an allegation, they simply decided to expel her. There was no investigation either from the party side or neither it was done legally. So she herself is demanding an answer, and in fact, the Congress is claiming that she is trying to collaborate with the CPIM, and for political gains, she's staging a drama. This is what Congress says. Okay. But again, Simi herself does not know what are the reason why is she being expelled in the party all of a sudden when she has been working hard inside the party for so many years.
How many years, Jayalakshmi, if you could just tell our viewers how many years she's been associated with the Congress party?
She came into the party along with VD Satheesan. That was back in 2000. So definitely it goes back along 20 years. We know that she has worked with, former Chief Minister A.K. Antony and former Chief Ministers like Uman Chandi as well. So definitely a very senior Congress party who's coming forward and who's alleging that, such things
John,
exist.
A senior woman leader in the Kerala Congress, has spoken out about the exploitation. These are some allegations she has made, and yes, these allegations merit an investigation. She has been expelled by her party. There are counter charges coming in from the one she's named. Thank you, Jayalakshmi, for getting us all those details, but do stay with us because we...
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence. To be a force for business that takes India to the world and the world to India, creating pathways of self-reliance, to stand for progress, the planet, and the people, towards a future made perfect, and be a force creating abundance, because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.